Guys, so in the last video we did unboxing my new BB gun, and we didn't do much shooting, so I thought maybe I'll get some cool targets and maybe shoot some cool things. So first I just have this hunk of clay, and then I have this pizza looking thing. It's also, all these are clay, and then I just have this clay ball with spikies on it. And yeah, so we're gonna be shooting those with our new BB gun. So yeah, we'll get to shooting those. Hey, get out of the way, you're gonna get shot. Alright, damage report. Actually did some pretty good damage. We got a nice little, with the BB gun right there. Got a couple more hits there, but we all didn't break or crack. Get out of the way! Jeez! Yeah, but, oh, broke a spike there. But anyways, we'll shoot something else now. So videoing the stupid thing didn't work out very well. The first one did. The second one, I raged. So I'm just gonna show you like this and then show the damage after, and try not to get it rebounded in our eyes. Oh, safety. Shoot. We don't want to get shot, guys. I also don't want to shoot my phone. So we'll go here. No. Safety on. Alright. So we'll get to the damage report now. So we got a good hit here, but I don't know if you can see that very well. Kind of just scraped the stuff off it, but look at that handy thing. Put down in the comments what kind of thing that was, because I don't even know. Alright, and yeah, so we'll take a couple more shots at this and try and break it, but I don't think we will. And then we'll get to the big chunk of clay. So, see ya. I figured out what was the problem and why it actually wasn't doing any damage at all. So, there's this air cartridge right in there, like right there. And so, when I shoot it, watch. I don't know if you could see it, but it dropped right there. Like, watch this patch of dirt. It just drops. Just rolls out of the barrel. So, yeah, we need a new air cartridge. And then we'll shoot that pizza looking thing again, because it did nothing. So I put the thing in. I think I'm supposed to tighten it now. We'll see if it shoots air. That's not what it's supposed to do. Safety on. I put it in before and it started going. Sorry, my camera, I dropped my phone and it's a little bit blurry now. Actually, never mind. So I had this, and then this. It's so cold. Like, it's cold that it like almost burns. But I don't think I did it right. Yeah, I didn't do it. I think like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, punctured it. I know it's supposed to do that. That's what the other one looked like when it came out, but hold. Oh, there was dirt in there. I'll try and put that in there again, I guess. I'll put a bullet in and see if it works. If it explodes, put RIP in the chat. See, safety's on, safety off. It's not supposed to do that, but we'll see if it fires. Okay, I flipped it. So, I'm gonna go get another air canister, and if I can't get that, we'll just film another day. Okay, guys, so it's the next day, and we actually got the new air in, and it shoots better now. So, I also got this new target that we will be shooting at the end. So stay till the end. We got a hard-boiled egg with a target. It's pretty sick. But yes, we're gonna shoot that pizza-looking thing again because last time, you know what happened last time. So see you then. Alright, shot number 1. Okay, so as you can tell, yeah, it broke. Like, that's crazy. We destroyed that. The first couple shots I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be better, but look at that. That's sick. Alright, well, now we'll shoot the big chunk of clay and see if it can shoot that. Let's shoot this now. Holy. That shot back. Alright, whatever. Okay. Well, damage report. Those really stuck in there. It broke off this piece, but I don't see why not take another shot at that. So, we'll take a couple more. Shot number 2. Wow, holy. I did not see this coming. That is a powerful gun. Okay, so now, for the time y'all have been waiting for, the egg. Alrighty. Now, I know it's going to shoot through this, but this is just going to be fun. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what I get to see. Alright, turn the safety's on, and look at that. That is sick. And is it still edible? It is, but I don't like the yellow stuff. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up. Don't know if this is, never mind. But that's gonna wrap it up, and we'll see if the chickens want any. Yep, and he's just gonna snack on that. But anyways, we'll see you in the next one.